Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I really want to talk about the top 5 software stocks to buy. I really believe software carries a lot of long and short-term potential, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the top software stocks to buy. So starting off with number 1, we have the one and only Microsoft. Now, the reason why I love Microsoft is looking at the chart, we have a beautiful upward trend. This stock historically has outperformed all of the indexes, Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, and the S&P 500. So you're pretty much beating the market. On top of that, you're getting a phenomenal dividend of around 56 cents every single quarter. But the thing about this is this company has increased their dividend payouts. So it was 42 cents, then a 46 cents, and a 51, and now it's 56. So just by looking at the dividends, you guys can see why a lot of dividend investors like myself love it. Not to mention, you guys can see it hit highs here at around $446, and we've had some sell-off here. So it's like buying this stock undervalued. And obviously, I really believe, Microsoft still carries so much long-term potential here. Now, the second one is a company I use and a company that I really believe in. This is Adobe. Now, Adobe has a variety of software products, anything from photo editing, video editing. They have pretty much a lot of different services. I really use the photo and video editing. And so this is a company that I use, and I really believe the products are phenomenal. And with good products, we've had a lot of sales, good growth. Not to mention, Adobe's margin is absolutely crazy. It's around 35%. So what that means is every time Adobe brings in $100, they actually profit around $35, which is phenomenal, because the average company is right around 20%. So obviously with that, we've had huge growth here. No dividends for this one, but breaking down this chart here for you guys can see it does have some overall resistance here at these highs at around 536, and then strong support here at around 450. So right now it's at that support line. So I really believe we'll probably have some buying pressure coming in. Even if you guys set your stops here at 430, if not 415, you're pretty much risking 30 or $40 to have this come back up to the highs of 50. So you're risking $15, $30 to make 50. So it's a pretty good risk and reward, but not to mention this one carries a lot of potential in the long term too. Now, another company is Salesforce. Now, this isn't a company I personally use, but looking at this chart here, you guys can see it does have support here at around $210. So we had buying pressure here. So now we had this nasty sell-off. So it's like buying it on that support line. Looking at the chart, we have a beautiful upward trend, major resistance at around 284, strong support at 200. This is a no-brainer investment for me, so that's why I am going to be investing into this one. Salesforce is another software company that obviously focuses on sales, works with a variety of blue chip companies on their sales side, so it's phenomenal. But now the next company here is another company that I am going to be investing in. Look at the growth of this one here. You don't get a dividend, but you guys can see over the past couple of weeks, we've had some nasty sell-off here. So the sell-off occurred when the stock hit around $600, sold off all the way down to about $472. So I really think we'll probably find some overall support here just by looking at this. Just by looking at the sell-off, you guys can see these little wicks right here. You guys can see how it's getting bought up there. That means there's buyers entering this position. So I think we'll probably find some overall support at this price level here. But this is another software company that does a variety of things from, cloud computing, data, stuff like that. This is a phenomenal company here. Now, the last one that I want to talk about is Vmware. This one here is ticker symbol VMW. You guys can see it doesn't really move a whole lot compared to other companies. And the reason why I like it is because this is a solid company to hold for the next couple of years. Looking at the overall resistance here at around $156, support here at around 130. It's kind of in that middle ground, but I think the company itself is a solid company, very similar to the other, works in cloud computing, works in other data and software. So this is a phenomenal one. The reason why I like it, it's above that 200 moving average line. Not to mention, back in the day, they did pay a $26 dividend, which is really, really good. So I think if they paid that, that would be phenomenal. But this is a company that obviously doesn't move a whole lot. I'd mostly hold this to kind of act as like my defense in my portfolio, just because it doesn't move as much, and we're still on an upward trend in the past 3 years. So these are the top software stocks, guys, that I am buying right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys got something of value. So make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. If you guys get anything, hit that like button, because it really helps me out. Also, guys, I do have a course, and you guys can use promo code dividends to get 50% off. So we'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, guys, and stay safe out there. Take care.